Today we are going to do magnet penetration, and today's topic is very interesting because look, I'm first doing it with a paper and no spies involved, and the FBI should not take me away. Let me get it up with his and let me put it down. Look, it's connecting. Let me move it. I'm moving it. I'm not even touching it. Yay! What? It came out. Now let's try it with this, much thicker than the paper. Oh, it's not working. Let me try the other side. Oh, let me do it like this. Oh, it did it! Yay! And look at it. Cut. Hello. I like bolts. Me too. Let's go get some. Here we go. 1 for you, 2 for you, a bunch for me. Everyone gets the bolts. And I was just playing with them. So now let's see our Ace Labs, our old friend. You can scan the QR code right now to get video tutorials, take the quiz, and creativity. I'll also do it. And you have to take the online course for this crazy chemistry education technology, Ace Labs. And now let's go up and above and above. Up. What is this country? Guess. If you guess Japan, it's correct. What is this country? Guess. If you guess Papua New Guinea, it's correct. What is this country? Guess. If you guess New Zealand, it's correct. And now we will read our story, and it's done. What happens if the rainforest disappears? By Mary Custard. Oh. We are done with page number 13. Okay. Ow. Yeah. City of Gold. The value of the rainforests can be measured in tons or of metal with large oil reserves, as well as talking over visits areas of forests all over the world. But the impact are they having, and what are the... You read it. What is it like? Nothing. You read this. Oh. We are destroying our magnetics lab. And you can read this too. Waiting for you. Yay! If you have read it, great. You have to read by yourself from page number... After this book, I'll not make you. You will have to read it by yourself. Okay? And I'm not a teacher. I'm a kid. Yes. Done. And now he's saying hello. And I say, oh. Hello to you too. Let's eat some nuts and bolts. Yeah, me too. Oh, me? Can I come? No. Okay. That's enough. Yummy. That was very yummy. Bye for now. And these videos are for you and me and everyone in this world. And the magnets are doing this. And bye. And zoom out. And let me just show you a mini car. You can make it by your home. You just need these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at these. And he's room. And